How we doing? This is James out here at BISH'S RV in Junction City. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. We're going to do a walkthrough today of the Heartland Big Country 2016 4010D. So let's get going. Let's give it a start. Comes equipped with a Cummins Onan 5500 generator, so you can do a little bit boondocking if you like. Obviously your battery pack control center here. Your main disconnect switch is right in there. Let's go over here on the off camp side. Got a big pass-through storage. Your control center to control all your water and everything. Got two propane tanks on this one. There's one on the other side just like it. 20-pound propane tanks. That's about it on this side. It's got auto leveling jacks. It's got 5 slide outs. Frameless windows, power awning. Again, large pass through, and here's your jack control right in here for your auto leveling. And again, the other propane tank. And right here's your control panel for everything that you have on the rig. Here's your generator start, your level battery power indicators, all your switches for 12 volt, 120 volt, and all your lights and ceiling fans, your slide outs, and your exterior awning. And then this one's equipped with solar. There's 2 solar panels on top of this one. So you got your solar controller right here, so that'll charge your house batteries. One thing I also need to mention is that on the back, we didn't go around the back, but there is a wireless backup camera already included with this unit. This is a rear living unit. If you come back here, we'll start back here in the back. It's got 3 couches. These 2 fold out in the bed, so you have plenty of sleeping space here. Large TV, fireplace, plenty of storage all around. Radio control. Plenty of cabinets, plenty of storage. Got a slide out here, opposing slides for the 2 couches, so you get expansive living space. Then you come over here to their kitchen. You got your kitchen island. Got solid surface countertops. Got double well stainless steel sink. Got your high point microwave, induction burners. Nice thing about these induction burners is that the burners don't actually get hot. The pans do. You need some copper pans put on there. Works like a champ actually. And then only the pan gets hot and your burners don't. Plenty of storage all around. One of the only RVs I've ever seen with actual silverware organizer in the drawer to start with. Plenty of storage all over. Lots of pantry space over here. Got a residential size refrigerator and freezer. It's dual mode, propane and electric. Got your slide out with your dinette. You got your expandable leaf dinette table right here, so you can seat more people. Nice tile floor here. There is carpet in the living area. It's typical of a 2016. Newer ones don't necessarily have carpet, but some of these older ones do, which actually makes it a little bit for a warmer unit. And up here we can walk through the bathroom. Nice big shower. It's got the extra bump out here, so if somebody's probably, well, shoot, I'd say somebody 6'2", 6'3" might be able to fit in here without having to duck their head, except when they get out, of course. Nice sink. Plenty of storage in your medicine cabinet here. Goes in there. Plenty of storage. Porcelain toilet. One unique feature about this specific in this front bedroom is actual king bed. So you get a full-size king bed in here. Storage, there's your other dining chairs, and also looks like they have some TV trays in there for you as well. So very nice. Got shelves on the side. Another little shelf here. Got your closet area. Plenty of storage space in here. Put your clothes. On this side, you got your wardrobe. And then you got your washer and dryer prep. Got nice windows in here. And you got the slides in and out. Nice chest of drawers. Another TV in here. You got ducted heat and AC. Also in the floor. We got vents in the floor for ducted heat and AC. And kind of like this retro fixture. Looks really cool. And we've got a ceiling fan in the living area. Well, if you need more information about this unit, give me a call. JKorth, 541-337-9293. Look forward to helping you out. Have a great day.